What's up, everybody? So this is kind of an ambitious video that I'm working on now. My mega vlog is up. You can go check it out. I put so many hours into this very ambitious vlog here. So if you want to go show your support, go check it out. But the one I'm working on now, that's kind of a different story. You see, back in September, right after my birthday, on 9/20, I went to shoot a wedding in Galveston, Texas. But there was an issue with this video. And Joshua Yo and a small YouTuber by the name of Peter McKinnon, they both recently posted about the problems when it comes to content creation and stuff like that on YouTube. And it made me think, there's a vlog that I never posted, because occasionally when working on video you hit a brick wall and it just stops your production. And I hit a wall while editing this video. And that wall was, I recorded almost everything on my phone, and it was of such poor quality in audio and video that I felt I couldn't post it on my channel. But now, after watching Peter's video and watching Joshua Yo's video and Casey Neistat's video about the challenges of overcoming the wall, you know, being part of the grind, and spending 40 plus hours on my mega vlog that has a whopping 40 views on it, I'm realizing this is just practice. So I challenged myself to complete the Galveston vlog. So here it is. The audio is really bad. The video is really bad. The story is not all that great. Or is it? You see, unbeknownst to me, I was driving straight into a tropical storm. Yeah, about that. Yo, what's up? This is just on my cell phone. My camera's in the back. This is gonna be a long trip. Yeah. So, I'm going to Galveston, Texas. To take pictures for a wedding on Friday. I'm actually really excited. Really excited. But I thought I had one more day. I panic packed last night, because when I got home I was like, okay, so tomorrow I can just kind of relax and pack. But then I get off at 1 a.m. on Wednesday, right? So I get home and it's like I get home and it's like 1:59, and I'm like, today's Wednesday. Oh, I do not have a day to relax. Yeah, I just got over being sick, really ill. It's pretty miserable. But now we're back on the grind, and we're gonna go take some dope bangers. Update. So I'm still on this mission to record or take photos of this wedding, and I've traveled, what, I think left on Wednesday at 7:15. It is now Thursday. Wedding is tomorrow. I have about 2 hours before I get there. But supposedly it's flooded. Everything is flooded. And so the bride messaged me. I was like, hey, look, we still want photos. So we're still on. That was kind of cool. But it made me realize, like, what if she canceled just now? I was like, hey, no wedding. Wedding's off. You know? Holy shit. I'd have been so mad because I would have missed 2 days work and traveled all this time to not shoot a wedding. You know, it'd be worse than she's like, oh, I gotta cancel. If I don't make it. This way, the 8 miles I just traveled, where you're literally using the lines in the road. That way, 21 more miles, followed by what? And also the destination of the wedding. I might have to travel. I already have a hotel in Galveston. I would hate to have to get one here. Welcome to the best part of the vlog. The part you've been waiting for. The part that I like to call not everything goes to plan. Let me explain. Bit of a pickle.
See, it is certainly closed. People out on the beach taking a look at the rough surf this afternoon, and you can see the beach patrol. They are here. They are closely monitoring 3 people who are out in the...
Remember when I first started? I had a couple of vlogs, and they looked a lot like this, but it was pointed at my computer desk. There's a lot like those if you haven't seen my first couple of vlogs. This is like vlog number 16. It's a long time. That's crazy. Learned a lot. Got some new equipment. Got some new equipment up top. Booking gigs. Booking gigs. It's not funny to you, but that's because you don't know what I'm about to tell you. So So in the words of Zig Ziglar, I'm just gonna have to tell you. I just love that full frame so much that I don't want to put the 50 mil down. So it's always like this, you know, or whatever. So my biggest problem.
This is funny.
What I'm getting to is how I got here in the middle of a tropical storm. And this person was a regular customer at my card shop. And he came up and asked me something. Can you shoot my wedding? You can do it. You can do it. The little girl upstairs believes in you too. She'll show that by running across the ceiling. A couple more times, probably. So, I couldn't figure out why my tripod was always like kind of wobbly. Like no matter what I did. And it's a brand new tripod. I got it for my birthday. And I couldn't figure out why it was so stinking wobbly. Figured it out. It's because one of the legs screws off and you can turn it into a monopod. That's pretty convenient. Except for when you're like, why the heck isn't it even? It's never even. No matter where I put it, it's never even.
Well, today's the day. It's 6:42. Just got a message from the bride and groom. But the bride and groom say that everything's clear. I'm like, what? I go outside and look outside. I'll show you. Okay. So if all goes well, I might just shoot a wedding today. Who would've thought?
Little update. The vloggy. Can't see the windows. Woo! Cleared up a bit, boys. Remember last time we were here? We might just shoot a wedding.
I wasn't completely naked, okay? But I did put a shirt on.
We just might have ourselves a wedding today. So that was interesting. We are now unloading, third in line. So pretty soon I will be for the first time on an island. So how about that? Can you hear how windy it is right now? So they picked a location for the reception. This place. Look at this view. Alright, sweet. So I know where everything is gonna be. I know what our table looks like. Rainforest Cafe is crazy in here, man. It's wild. But so now I have to go to the bridge where the ceremony is gonna take place. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna go to 61st Street and check out the place where the actual ceremony is supposed to take place, and go from there. It's weird seeing me like this, no hat, my hair's kind of crazy. I was sprinting up the stairs. Little update. No groomsmen. This is funny. Little update. Things are going well. Got a ton of really good photos. Got a couple of like immaculate photos. Right now we are headed towards the reception. It is 6:51 and it's at 7. So about 9 minutes, we're on the way. We're about 3 blocks away. I'm behind the bride and the groom. We stayed behind and took some extra photos that came out pretty good. And let's go from there. Let's do it. Things went well. We're here. I'm about to order food. I am going to be getting the ahi tuna street tacos, of course. And then, yeah. Call it a very good day. And then maybe pass around the 360 camera. Yeah, pretty much seal deal.
It's a recycled skateboard.
Professional.
Well, fam, we did it. We accomplished the mission, and we are about to check out of our motel. And awesome. A very exciting weekend. I got some big shots. I'll post them. Let's get out of here. Look how green it is.